Hello friends, welcome again to my channel. In this session, we study about the sentence. Before that, I request you, if you like my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want the explanation of the sentence in Hindi, please check the description box. Okay, let's start with the sentence. We use words when we speak or write. We usually use these words in an order is called sentence. When we use the words in a correct order, a group of words in a correct order is called sentence. Suppose a cat sat on the mat. A sentence is a group of words that are kept in a particular order to make a complete sense. We also say this when one or more words are grammatically linked and bring out a complete sense, it is called a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense by itself is a sentence. Now the theater is near my house. Now we read some features of the sentence. A sentence consists of group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, you understand this? It has a verb. Always verb in the sentence. It begins with a capital letter. Sentence is always begin with a capital letter. First word of the sentence is begin with a capital letter. The word in a sentence are written in a proper order. We already discussed about on it. Words written in a sentence is always written in a proper order. So it makes a complete sense what we want to say. It has a subject. The sentence has a two part, subject and predicate. It has a subject and predicate. A sentence ends with a full stop. You all know the sentence ends with a full stop. Sometimes if we ask question, then it ends with question mark. And sometimes we are asking or expressing our sudden feelings, then exclamatory mark as shown there in the sentence. Okay. Every sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject, it's a part of a sentence which tells us who or what the sentence about. We are talking about whom or what. Who. Predicate is the second part of the sentence which tells us something about the subject. Okay, there is an example, the actor. Actor is a subject, the actor's subject, and performed well is a predicate. When we make a sentence, we name some person or things. Say something about that person or things. In other words, we must have a subject to speak about and we must say or predicate something about that subject. So, the part which names the person or things we are speaking about is called the subject of the sentence. The part which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. In this sentence, the actors perform well. The actor is a subject since it tells us what the subject sentence is about. The predicate is performed well since it tells us something about the subject. Here are some sentences are given in the box. Babies is a subject, cry predicate. The lights are on. Lights are subject, we are talking about the lights. And what we are talking are on. That Indian team is a subject, we are talking about the Indian team. And what we are talking about that? Won the match. My father's best friend gave him a present. My father's best friend, the subject. What he did? Gave him a present. Now the types of sentences. There are 4 different types of sentences. First, declarative sentence. We also call it assertive sentence. These are the most common type of sentences. The assertive sentences make a statement. Declarative sentence also make a statement. There can be of 2 types. Affirmative, positive sentence, general declaration or statement. Reena is a teacher. When we change it into negative, we use not here. Reena is not a teacher. Sparrow is a beautiful bird. Sparrow, this is affirmative sentence. Sparrow is not a beautiful bird. We are using here not, so this is a negative sentence. Interrogative sentences. The interrogative sentences are those which ask questions. They can be of three types. And we also use such sentences and with a question mark. There are three types of interrogative sentences. First, why questions. What is your name? What is the capital of India? What time do you get up in the morning? When will you come to my home? Where are you going? These are the what type questions. Second, yes or no question. Is your name Reena? Are you coming to my home? These are where we are asking yes or no. So this is also interrogative type questions. Now the question tags. Your name is Reena, isn't it? You have completed your work, isn't it? These are called the question tag. These are the three types of interrogative sentence. Now the imperative sentence. The imperative sentence are those that express a command, request and advice. The imperative sentence also end with a full stop. Now here are these are the three types: command and instruct. If you want to command someone or instruct someone, correct your spelling, stand properly. These are the some sentence: sit down, stand up, open the door, shut the door. These are the commands. Make a request. Here we always use please. Please be quiet. Please help me carry this book. Please come here. Please lend me a pencil. These are the some example of request. Give advice. Obey your parents. You must sleep at least 8 hours every day. You must complete your homework before go to play. These are the some example of imperative sentence. Now the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. The exclamatory sentences are those that express a feeling, sudden feeling. The exclamatory sentence end with a exclamatory marks. For example, anger. If you wanted to show the feeling of anger, hush, say no more, I am tired. If there is any feeling of shock, alas, I lost everything. Surprise, oh my God, I can't believe my eyes. Admiration, wow, what a beautiful horse it is, what a beautiful flower. If you are in happy, hooray, we won the match. It's a beautiful day. How hot the day is. These are all the sentence of exclamatory sentence in which our sudden feelings come out. And these sentences end with an exclamatory marks. Thank you. I hope you like my channel and this the explanation of sentence in English to English. Thank you.